What you doing? Are you eating? Is that some apple oatmeal cinnamon? You gotta suck on it if you want food. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Ronix, would you move just a little bit, baby? Just a little bit.
Ronix, move. Good boy. Or good dog. And good boy. Look at that. Look at that. Miss Chestnut's going to be so proud of you. Good job. Good job. You got to suck it out.